Hi, hello everyone. Today I'm watching beautiful football final match, UEFA National Cup between Spain and Portugal. Both sides very good playing. Obrigada, gracias, thanks. Teşekkür. And penalty series, Portugal beat Spain and Cristiano Ronaldo Portugal team winning UEFA National Cup. Thank you Portugal and also Spain, and I congratulate legendary great football player, fighter, athlete Cristiano Ronaldo. Despite 40 age, he's a great footballer, athlete. Thank you. Congratulations.